Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Saturday. So today's video is a quick one and it's just going to be me cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. We got this refrigerator a little while back and it's not my favorite. It's actually really hard to try and fit everything into the different shelves, but as you see in the video, I get it all done. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I post 3 times a week, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video. So what I'm doing here is just taking things off of the shelves and then wiping them down. The refrigerator was really dirty inside. There was just like spilled strawberry juice and some milk, stuff like that. So I'm giving it a really nice wipe down, and then I'm going to go ahead and put things back onto the shelves where I want them to go. So as you can see on this top shelf, I am putting back all of the fruit, and then I'm sticking the eggs up there too. I know this is random and a lot of these little sections are random with different things, but this is how it worked for me. So next I'm taking all of my bigger juices like Gatorade, cranberry juice, my milk, and sticking it here on this shelf. This is about the only spot in the fridge where these can fit nicely. And this drawer is where I keep all of my vegetables at. So I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on the other side of the fridge. I'm removing everything and then wiping it down and putting the items back where I want them to belong. As you can see here in a little bit, I kind of monkey around with the shelves and I don't like the top shelf, so I switch it. This took me a little while to get everything neatly in here where it didn't look too cluttered and overwhelming, so bear with me. So on this shelf, I'm sticking everything that are in jars. I had some applesauce, there was pickles, a tomato sauce. I just decided to keep a shelf dedicated to all of the jars so that they didn't get like mixed and lost in the rest of the fridge. And on this little shelf, I decided to stick all of our meats on. I normally would put them in one of the drawers, but I decided to make the one drawer just for vegetables and the other drawer for lunch meats and cheeses, so I stuck the meats on this shelf. And then on this top shelf, I started putting some juices and yogurts, things like that, but I decided to move all of the yogurts and put them down on the bottom shelf. This bigger drawer down here on the bottom is where our friend who is staying with us is keeping all of his food, so I did not touch that. I just left everything that he had down in this drawer. But if he didn't have stuff in here, I normally would put my meats down in this drawer. Next, I'm moving on to the shelving on the sides of the door, and here I'm just kind of putting everything into categories. I have a shelf for like all of our marinades, and then I have the bottom shelf for all of our condiments. The other shelf you'll see is super random. I have like beer and syrup. Makes no sense, but it's the only place where I could fit these things. And then on the top shelf over here, I have some medicine, and you'll see me stick some Parmesan cheese up there. I know it's random, but this is what I could do with this fridge. It's not the best fridge to have a lot of stuff in, but it works for me.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
So that is it for this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to go ahead and just organize your fridge. It doesn't take a lot. You don't have to go out and buy bins, things like that. Just reorganizing works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys on Tuesday in my next video. Bye guys.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping